Well, first of all, just because you fall and you're injured doesn't necessarily mean that there's a viable cause of action. Generally speaking, if someone slips, it is the burden of the plaintiff to prove that there was an unsafe condition and that the property owner had adequate notice of that condition. For instance, if you're shopping in the supermarket and you happen to slip on some laundry detergent that that fell onto the floor, believe it or not, the grocery store is not automatically liable for that. You would have to prove that the substance was on the floor for an adequate amount of time to put the store on notice that they should have cleaned it up.